Hello guys, I'm sorry for that because just before starting the stream there was a load shedding, so everything just messed up. I'm sorry for that. If you can hear me, if there is anyone, I don't know if there is anyone or not. If anyone is over there, just let me know that you can hear me or not. Okay, let me open the YouTube my phone. Just a second. Indeed. Just let me know if you can hear me or not. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that inconvenience because just before starting the streaming there was a load shedding. Okay, so you can see still there is some kind of uh, error button over there. And before going, good morning, hi, we can hear. Thank you guys. So that is that 18201 bagged and tagged. Okay, so I just tweeted I was in a trade around that area. I was recording it, but unfortunately because of the mess, everything, you know, just over here I was in this trade. Okay, so just look, this is that 18201, that was my target first partial, that was my stop loss around that area. Here is my sorry, entry is over there. I guess that is the entry. Oh no, sorry, this is the stop loss, this is the entry, and that was the target. Okay, so over here it just hit my target, went lower, and this is the whole business to another account. In one account I got $1,109, something like that, and another account 474. Okay, this one I just took one trade, just one trade. Okay, I don't know why it is showing four contract, but actually that four lot, it was two lot only. Okay, so I don't know why it is showing four lot. Whatever, that was one account. I just took two account. I had the chance to take two account. I took two account, these two account. Now if anyone know how to show the execution, okay, I didn't find the execution. What do I mean by that? If I just come over here in trading view, then if I click the right button, if I click the right button, you see this execution. If I press that execution, it shows the some kind of arrow on the chart. I really don't know how to show it in that type of situation. I could show you all my entry and I could explain everything. Okay, now I'm here with top step X, and on my left this is 30-second chart, on my right top this is 15-minute chart, and right on my right in the bottom that is 1-minute chart. Okay, so as I told you, okay, when I just found this chart, this 30-second chart, I'm just seeing every second, every minute I'm finding some kind of setup. Now you have to tell me first how to lock the account. Okay, because I really don't want to take any more trade today. I took a lot of trade today. Okay, so Neonti, I took the same trade. Congratulations, brother. uh thank you. Just look at this 1 minute, 30-second chart. It's a very nice sell setup for me now. Oh man, I don't know what to say. Market has taken all the buy side liquidity. Now give me the market structure shift. I would love to go for that kind of setup. Okay, now I really don't want to take any kind of entry anymore. Just please let me know how to lock the account. So I would love to lock the account first. Help me, okay? Anyone, please help me. Hello, some discount or what? Lenikoski, actually they make the top step X free for everyone. Okay, so you can trade now in top step X. You don't need any offer. So there, and also 87% off. So you will be able to trade, take the 50K account for $19 only instead of $49, and $67 I guess for 100K account, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, uh, that's all then. Okay, now please help me how to lock the account. First I would love to lock the account, otherwise I will keep taking entry, and then show me if there is any way I can show the execution. Okay, then I will be able to explain all the entry I took today. Okay, there is just one one entry I took a loss out of maybe 9 to 10 entry, something like that. I just took one loss. So all of them are profitable entry. Okay, so I will be able to show you everything. Click the exclamation mark next to up UP and loss. Click on the exclamation mark. Where is it? Exclamation mark. Where is it? Profit and loss. Okay, here. I showed you before, sir. I forgot, brother. Sizo, I forgot. Okay. If you want to lock your account, click the symbol next to PN loss. Where is the PN loss? Where is that? On the top side. Okay, on the top side. Oh, I got it. So here, manually lock. Yes, lock me out. Okay, this is the not even this is so I think this account has been locked out. Trading will not be available until next month. Okay, this will be not. So this one also. Okay. Otherwise, I will keep taking entry because yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Now, can anyone tell me if there is any option so that I can show you the execution? That will be easier for me to explain all the entries. Okay. Right now, I'm bearish. Beforehand, I would love to explain that I am bearish. So let me come over here. If suddenly I just what to say? I mean, if the stream stopped, you will understand that there is load shedding. I have nothing to do because the weather is not good. So yeah, I'm bearish for today. And to be honest, I would love to see that market will go lower. Market just came here to the low of the new day opening gap. Sorry, new week opening gap low, went higher. Take the all buy side liquidity I have marked in the morning. I just did in the morning. I don't know you did it see or not. 18201.25 mark it as buy side. I will come back and told you it's bagged and tagged. Remember, okay? So 18201.25. 18201.25. That was the run. It has taken this buy side liquidity, and I just captured that entry. I am unable to show you that. The reason is there was load shedding, so I took an screenshot. This is that 18201 level. I took entry around that area from 30-second chart. First, I took entry to that fair value gap. Then, when it come back again to this order block, I just push my button, but it I was little late, so it went little higher. So it just that is the thing. Okay, so there was two entry, and that was my target. I took a small partial over there and closed my trade over there to that 18201 level. So that's all. Now I will see if this bullish fair value gap can hold the price. If you look over here, the price action, market went lower. Take the sell side liquidity, market structure shift from 15 minute chart. Okay. Now this is the entry fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. Let me mark it from 1 minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap. Sorry, not from 1 minute, from 15 minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap. So if market come here, especially we look for some kind of buy run. Okay, now as my bias is bearish, still I'll be very careful about this parallel gap and this last parallel gap, okay, or the breakaway gap, because this is the setup from 15-minute chart. When price will be here in this 15-minute parallel gap, I'll be in 1-minute chart. If I don't see any displacement or market structure shift to the upper portion, then I'm happy to see that. If I get any kind of bullish market structure shift, then this last parabolic from hourly chart will be my target. Okay, if I get any kind of perfect setup toward the buy side liquidity, then this last parabolic will be my target. Otherwise, I would really love to see market will keep going lower and it will fall. So that's all. And only saw short orders. No sir, no execution to show like trading. Can you hear me? I guess you can hear me. I'll be here in 1-minute chat and I will wait until 9:30, because before 9:30 no entry is valid. Now please don't compare my entries, because as I told you, okay, I'm just seeing every minute, I'm just seeing the entry when I'm in 30-second chart. So please don't uh, compare me, please don't judge me. That's my request to all of you guys. I hope that you will understand the fact over here, the risk over here, everything you will understand. I just want to show you the perfect or the best way, but that doesn't mean I will follow them. If I keep following them, it's gonna be very difficult for me to trade. Okay, and as I told you, I would love to stay in top step X now, because it's free platform. All I need to do is just pass 1 or 2 accounts. Okay, I will just pass them. I took 2 accounts. The reason is 50K account is really so hard for me now to pass or to trade over there. That's why I took two account. I will try to complete at least one account, one challenge I would love to complete, and then I will try to take the express account over there. Then I will be here. Okay, it's as it is free. Okay, no sir, no execution to show like trading. Okay, only you saw show orders. Fire trade. If you trade like this, top step will block you. All killer trades. Reading 50K top step X account, do we need to pay for activation if evaluation was passed? Yeah, you have to pay $149 for the express account, brother. Okay. I'm not interested for anything right now. I will wait for 9:30. So that's all. Okay. Again, on my right down, this is 1-minute chart. On my right top, this is 15-minute chart, and on my left this is 30-second chart. Over here I would love to explain this entry as I'm here. So you can see market went lower, take this sell side liquidity, market structure shift, this was the fair value gap, entry fair value gap, breakaway gap. I took entry over there to that entry fair value gap. My stop loss was just above below this candle. Okay, if you just see the screenshot, you will see that my stop loss was below this one, but actually my stop loss was below that candle. Okay, below this candle on my left, below that candle. And then when it went higher, this is the order block. I took another entry over there, and then I just took randomly one partial. I don't know why, but yeah, I took just one random partial over there, and I hold the rest one contract until the buy side. Okay, now, as you see from here, it's kind of looking very nice for buying, but I am not interested to take buy from here. Better I will wait to price reach at least to that bullish 50-minute fair value gap. Over that fair value gap, at least price should reach to that bullish fair value gap before going higher. And at the same time, we are very near to 9:30 open. So before 9:30 open or around 9:30 open, I don't want to take risk. Okay, so that's all. Can you answer my query since Tito is busy? What is that? Thanks, mate. Okay, I would suggest 100K for you. You will get total loss limit. Yep. To whom? Okay, okay, okay. Did you buy in silver? Okay, okay. You guys keep 20K X FA. Okay, sure. Okay, 50K. Oh, mashallah. Okay. So I'm just waiting for 9:30. Let's see what happens around 9:30. Actually, I'm bearish. As I told you, I'm bearish, but I will keep my eye on that bullish fair value gap. Why over there? See, this low has traded the new week opening gap low, tick by tick. Okay, then went higher. Very nice market, displacement. After taking the sell side liquidity, market structure shift, first fair value gap, last fair value gap. Price come to this first fair value gap, boom, went where? Last fair value gap from hourly chart. So if it happens, that's if it can happen. Okay, so that is why I'll be very careful around that area when market will trade this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If I get something like this, see over here, that was a very nice market structure. If I get something like that after trading that bullish fair value gap, I will go for the buy. Otherwise, I will just wait and I will see how it go through all of both of these fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If it can go through those fair value gap, then my target will be bearish and I will expect market will keep falling. Okay, today's Tuesday, and Tuesday is actually the manipulation day. We will see if I get any manipulation. If I miss over here anything right now, I don't care. The reason is just around 9:30 no entry is valid. Around 9:30 no entry is valid. Okay. Now guys, I really don't know how to explain this, all of these things, but when I am in this 15-30 second chart, a whole world is open to me. The whole world is open to me. I told you that over here I am seeing a sell setup, but if you see over here, their market didn't left any fair value gap over there to that candle, so I wouldn't go for that sell. Instead of that, I would wait. The reason is market didn't left any sales, fair value gap around that area. Can I take buy over here? I'm not interested to take buy around that area. I would love to wait. Just to trade 30 seconds. Oh man, Adi Alia, I am not going to do that. But to be honest, brother, today I just opened this top step X and I was curious about 30-second chart. The reason is ICT recently using 30-second chart. So I was curious why he is using 30-second chart. So I find out that 30-second chart is really so beautiful right now, or in this type of situation where market is really so bullshit. 30-second chart is really so beautiful trade, though it's a very fast market, but yeah, still it can be managed. That's why I'm just what to say. I'm here in 30-second chart as well, in 1 minute chart and 50-minute chart. Okay. Let me see actually where is the gap. 18223, 18223, 182. So this is the low of the hourly last fair value gap. That line, that is the low of the hourly last fair value gap. Okay. Keep that in your mind. Can I go for buy now? No, I can't go for buy. The reason is, you see, market didn't reach to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So when market didn't reach to that 15-minute bullish fair value gap, I'm not interested to take any kind of buy. I will wait. I'll just wait. Okay. Now I locked my account, so I will be unable to push my button. I guess I will be unable to push my button. Instead of that, I will just use this thing. Okay, is Top Step X a desktop or internet platform? I don't know, brother. I'm using from Google Chrome, so maybe they have the application. I don't know, but yeah, I'm using from the Google Chrome. Okay, perfect. It's going higher. This is the last fair value from hourly chart. This line, okay. Remember that. Okay. Now this is the perfect time to look for sell for me. I'll see if I can find some kind of sale or not. If you have watched my weekly analysis, I told you that if market keep going higher, it's gonna be very difficult for me to trade. The reason is I have a lot of resistance over there, lot of resistance. Okay, so high resistance buy run, low resistance sell run. So it's easier for me to look for sell instead of look for buy. But it is what it is right now. Do I have any sales and liquidity? Don't have. So price came here to the last parabolic gap from hourly chart. You can see here. Then I have this parabolic gap from hourly chart and this parabolic gap. Let me stay in 1 minute chart. I would love to see how far it can reach. See all of this sell side liquidity, this relatively equal lows, very clean sell side liquidity. Okay, don't forget about them. All I need to see how it react around that hourly last parabolic gap. Also the gap is over here. This is the gap. We will see if we find anything. You can show the DXY for today. DXY should keep going higher now. I have seen the DXY, so it should go higher now. So for DXY, this order block for DXY over here. Now when it has traded this order block, it went higher. It left this relatively equal highs around that area. A lot of relatively equal highs, so it should keep going higher. This is the propulsion block. This is the propulsion block. So it is trading right now over here. If it keep going lower, Nasdaq will keep going higher. But I am thinking that this guy will keep going higher. Okay, it will start to go higher. Right now it is trading the last parabolic from 15-minute chart over here. See this last parabolic from 15-minute chart. It is trading the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. This is the perfect place for reversing. So market should reverse and it should keep going higher for dollar index. If it keep going lower, then Nasdaq will be very bullish. The main problem is I don't have any buy side liquidity, I don't have any sell side liquidity near to the market from 15 meters. Really so difficult to trade around that area. Since it's their own trading tool, do you believe they can tap our stop loss easily and manipulate? Actually, they use the see this market. This is I mean embed, or what is that word? I mean whatever you are seeing here, the top step actually copied it from this trading view. Okay, so it is the same price you will see in trading view, same price. Okay, so I believe that there is no way to be manipulation for manipulate. This is not a manipulating market in my opinion. Okay? They are just copy paste something like that. Okay, so from trading view to top step X, same thing, everything is same. A mobile app coming soon. I guess so. Yeah, they told that very soon they're going to launch the mobile app. Is it not Tuesday? Is manipulation day? The lead up to buy side liquidity may be this. Buy side liquidity has taken already. So if you see from here, this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. They have been taken. Okay, market reached to that hourly last parabolic gap, and now it should fall. Okay, it should fall now. As I told, I'm not really interested to frame any trade. To be honest, I'm really not interested to frame any trade. Still, what to, what to, what to. On my right, to the left, sorry, to the right, to the bottom. This is 1 minute chart. Okay, just a six handle stop loss. I believe that even if it doesn't work, I'm going to take a six handle loss. Okay? Just a six handle loss. It's not a huge loss. Still, I would love to see if it works or not. Just a six handle loss. Or maybe can I make it seven, eight? Yeah, I can make it 850 handle loss. So 8 handle 50 cent. Not huge loss. And my target is this relatively equal loss. That is my target. This sales indicate. Okay. And I'm sorry because I didn't mark it. I mean, this is sell side liquidity. Just remember that market should take this sell side liquidity. Love to see that market will take this sell side. Again, guys, I'm not here to show you any entries or any trade. This is all my expectation, and I would love to do this type of things. Okay. And now, if you think that 800 stop loss is huge for you, what to say? I mean, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. That should be the first partial here. This should be the first partial, and the trade should be closed over there. Okay. I just locked my account, so I'm unable to trade. I mean, take any entry. I hope you'll understand. Again, if it doesn't work, then please don't blame me, brother. I took that entry, so it's a loss. I'm sorry for that. Please don't blame me, okay? If it doesn't work, I don't care. Just you can see just 800 loss, okay? So should you should digest that 800 loss. You should digest it. What is that blue line? That blue line is the hourly last fair gap low. Okay, hourly last fair gap low. As I didn't mark it to my top stepx, I just started this top stepx today, so I didn't mark the hourly fair gap low, but that is the hourly last fair gap low. I'd love to mark another line over here. This is the low of this bullish fair gap from 1 minute chart. I really would love to see market will go through this line. It should close below this line. Over here I will put my stop loss around that area, so it's gonna be 4 handle, something like that, 4 handle 75 ticks, something like that. Yeah, I know I have a very bad habit of trailing stop loss, but it is what it is. I would love to do that. As market has stayed this order block opening, I'm gonna remove this one from my chart. Even if it hit my stop loss, I'll be happy to take a 4 handle stop loss, because market is just reacting from this bullish fair value gap. So I don't want to hold my trade for 8 handle stop loss. So I will put my stop loss in a logical level that should not be broken. So that is that logical level, this low of the hourly last fair value gap, and also this candle high. See this candle high from 30-second chart, it should not break that, both of those levels. Okay, so that's why I just put my stop loss in that logical level. Again, brother, I have very bad habit of trailing stop loss. I love precision, so I will do that. Why I'm talking too much? The reason is here a lot of people are watching me, and you guys actually judge me too fast. As I told, when I have started to see this 30-second chart, I am seeing every minute an entry. Now I don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah, I'm seeing this. But that doesn't mean that every entry is going to be perfect. Okay, so please try to understand the fact over here. If I was in this trade, yeah, I would do that, because for me, four handle, five handle loss is not huge. Okay, brother, four five handle loss is not huge. Like $100 loss is not really too much. And I'm just using this parabol gap. If you look on my right bottom, okay, this is 1 minute chart. So in 1 minute chart, what do you see? Market has traded the order block right now. So this is the order block from 1 minute chart. So I'm gonna mark the order block as well from 1 minute chart. So that is the line for 1 minute order block. Can you understand my language? It's order block. This 30-second order block, 1 minute order block. Okay? If market close above this two blue line, above this two blue line, absolutely wrong. Market is absolutely wrong, and maybe I will put my stop loss to the break even if it close above this two blue line, because it's a very bad sign that market can reverse for the more high. Okay, so I will put my stop loss to the break even. No, it didn't. I will just not break even, actually, not break even. I'm sorry, I don't know how to remove it. Not break even, sorry. And the stop loss. Is it a huge stop loss? The handle? What do you think? I don't think so that 300 stop loss is not a good sign. Market should fall fast. I mean, the big run should happen, like something boom, something like that happen. If it doesn't happen, then I'm in a big trouble. This order block is broken. That means one PDR is broken. 1 minute chart. This parabol cap is broken. Two PDR is broken. At the last PDR, this last 1 minute parabol cap, that is the last PDR. If it is also broken, you know, when the three PDR is broken, the next is your no ICT talk nice way. That's the next. So yeah, I minimized my loss, stop loss at the minimum. Okay, so this is the minimum three handle, just three handle stop loss. If I get stopped out, I will just take a three handle loss, because price is just reacting to this bullish fair value. Okay, it hit my stop loss. I got stopped out. I think you need to trade 15-second chart, then you should see a trade setup every 30-second lol. I would love to see that. Did I miss? I mean, did I do something wrong? I mean, my trailing my stop loss. Did I do something wrong or not? Now this is my part. Okay, so I will keep this one on my chart, and I would love to see, did I do anything wrong by trailing stop loss or not? Here was my stop loss. That was my target. Now here, this thing I do when I got stopped out. Now I'm not telling that even if it works, I'm not gonna tell that, oh man, it worked perfectly. No, I'm not going to tell that. I would love to see that did I do the right thing or did I do the wrong thing. Probably 850. Yeah. Okay. So I did the right thing when I moved my stop loss, just 300 stop loss instead of 800. I did the right thing. I will wait. Is this a perfect setup? In my opinion, a very nice setup. That was a very, very, very nice setup. Is market going to fall? I believe so. You think it's a sign of consolidation? Still now, I mean, until now, I didn't see anything that can tell me that it's gonna be consolidated. Until now, I didn't see anything. Please do your analysis based on 1 minute chart. We can follow better as most of us don't have 30-second chart. Okay, Steve, no problem. Here I am with my 1 minute chart. No 30-second, but it was so cool, man. In 30-second chart. Ahmed Mustafa, until now I didn't see any sign of consolidation. So we will see. Still, this is not a small body, it's a huge body. Okay, so I actually look for this type of body. See on my left, this is the body, or or this type of a small body for consolidation. But here this is a big body. So when I have this big body, I don't think so that it's a sign of consolidation. Now, I know you guys will be afraid, but yeah, this is just, I'm already in the market. I'm already in the market. This low, this relatively equal lows, that will be my target. If market give me another opportunity to take entry, I will add more, but I am already in the market. When market just go below that line, I'm already in the market. My stop loss is just about there. Here 1700 stop loss, nothing to do. This is my relatively equal loss. If I take two contract, then my target will be here, this low. See this low, that will be my target. If I take two contract in that type of situation, this will be my first partial, and that area, this will be my first partial. It depends. Okay, am I going for more contract or I'm just taking one contract? If just one contract, then this will be my trade. So that will be my entry, this will be my trade. 1800, I'll be happy with that. I know most of you are afraid to take another entry just after taking 300 stop loss. I don't care about that 300. So here partial has taken already. My stop loss will be here. Just I will cover this. See this down close candle, I'll just cover that down close. At the same time, this fair value gap 50%. If market would love to trade, no problem, it can trade, but it should not go above the 50% of that fair value gap. That is why I will put my stop loss to the just above the 50% of that fair value gap. Why I didn't wait for the fair value gap trade? The reason is most I mean, sometimes I see that no market doesn't trade the fair value gap. Instead of that, it keep going lower. So that's why I don't take risk when I just see market went below that low. The swing low is valid for shipping market structure. It went below that low. I'm already in the market. I don't wait to make the fair value gap, then retest the fair value gap or something like that. Now, in this type of situation, I can do one more thing. I can put my stop loss to the break even because I took a partial, right? Partial has been taken around that area. So I'll put my stop loss to the break even. If I get stopped out to the break even, I'll re-entry. So yeah, that's the best option. Let's go for that. If I get stopped out within three candle, one, two, I have one more candle. Okay. If I get stopped out within three candle to the break even, try to understand, brother. I have already taken the partial. If I get stopped out to the break even, I'll take another entry. And that after just getting stopped out, I'll take another entry. Okay, I got stopped out. So I will just wait a little more. I don't think so. I should here. My stop loss will be just above the 50% of that fair value gap. Why? Why my stop loss will be just above the 50% of that fair value gap? Look where price came to that specific bullish fair value gap. See over here, it came to that bullish fair value gap. Now it is retracing. It can easily go to everything. So my stop loss is just above the 50% of that fair value gap. Let me mark it. See this fair value gap, and whether if you will be stopped out, I don't care. 600 stop out, no problem. And where will be my target? I'll just target this. That will be my target. Why my stop loss is too tight? Why it is? The reason is, look over here where price came to that bullish fair value gap. Is it going higher? I don't know. Is it going lower? I don't know. I have to take the chance. As my bias is bearish, I believe that market is now going through this fair value gap over here. This fair value market is going through that. That's my belief. But that doesn't mean I will put my stop loss over here around that area. Maybe I'll be stopped out. Okay, maybe I'll be stopped out over here. But yeah, I'm happy. I'll be happy to be stopped out around that area for how many handle? For like 9 handle. I'll be stopped out to the 9 handle and I'll be happy with that. This is how I trade. Actually, you try to avoid the loss and I try to avoid the huge loss. Instead of that, I go for the small loss so that I can trade one more time. So as you can see over here, I got 3 handle stop loss, right? I got 3 handle, if you remember that area. I got 3 handle stop loss. Here I just put my stop loss for 9 handle and I am already profitable for 17 handle. So 9 handle and 3 handle, that means 12 handle. I have already 17 handle in my pocket. I have already 17 handle in my pocket. Now if you wanna be happy with that 17 handle, I have no problem. If you are not happy, maybe you would love to take some more trade, then you have to put the stop loss in a very specific way. Why I just put my stop loss to the above of that? I'm sorry, would be little above. Oh, sorry. I just want to cover this body of that down close candle. So over there. So I would love to see that market is not going above the 50% of that fair value gap. Why? In recent video, ICT told that if really market would love to go lower, market should trade the low of that fair value gap. It should not reach until the 50% of that fair value gap. Now, even if it reach until the 50%, body should not close above the 50% of that candle. In very recent live stream, ICT talked about this. Okay? So that is why I would love to put my stop loss over there. If I'm absolutely wrong, I will take little loss. Why I covered that on? Because of the breaker block. This is the breaker block. That's why I just covered it. So let's see when I will move my stop loss. See this low. If body can close below this low, I'm going to put my stop loss to the break even. I'm extremely sorry guys if you tell me something I didn't read your comment because I'm just looking at the chart. You will understand that it's really so difficult to frame a trade in front of a lot of people. If I'm wrong, then everyone will start to judge me. I don't want to be judged. It's easier for me to trade when I'm alone because you don't understand what is the meaning of three handle stop loss. You will never understand that. All you see that is a loss, but I can see it's just a three handle loss. So three handle loss, I will be able to take 17 handle profit right now if I just close my trade. Right now, right here, if I close it, 13 handle, 17 handle plus 13 handle. What does it mean? That means 30 handle. What is going to be the result? Near about $1,000 profit. For me, I mean, it's perfectly okay. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but yeah, it's absolutely perfect. I really would love to see market will leave that open. I really love to see that. This parallel gap should be open. If it keep open like that way, you will see a nice move below this new week opening gap low. If it can keep just this parallel gap, if it is unfilled, then you will see a nice move until the new week opening gap low. Don't believe me? Do it. I'm expecting a huge run now. Huge run, okay? Not like some kind of Mickey Mouse move. No, not like that. Huge run. And I'm going to put my stop loss just above that candle. So just minimize little more loss. Expecting huge move. Let's see if I can get it or not. Need a big run. Need a huge run. Either way, maybe it will stop me out. No problem with that. Maybe it will go lower, but I need a huge run. At least until the high of that new week opening gap. Until that area, I need a run. Until that area. Okay, it closed that fair value gap. So when it closed that fair value gap, maybe it will consolidate little more after before reaching to that new week opening gap. Where it is consolidating, just look at over here. 15-minute bullish fair value gap on my left. Okay, 15-minute bullish fair value gap. It came to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, started to consolidate. So all I'm seeing this as a reaction of that 15-minute bullish fair value gap. The first reaction sends the price until the fair value gap or the breaker around that area, this breaker. The second reaction can send it until the order block one more time. This is the order block, so it can send the price until the order block one more time. If it failed, then it will keep going lower. Can I put my stop loss to the break even now? No, I can't. I have to see the body close below this low. Now if there is no body close, instead of that there is a wick. Okay, body closed above this line. Either way, I am going to put my stop loss to the break even. Why? Because that can be the liquidity taken. So liquidity has taken, now market is going higher, so I don't want to take that risk. So I am going to put my stop loss to the break even. Either way, if it go higher, I'll be stopped out to the break even. You have the wrong new week opening gap marked. Check it. I don't need to check it. I know that it's perfect. I know that, brother. So I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I know that it's perfect. Market should respect this down close candle. It should respect this down close candle. Maybe the open, maybe here. Any of this level should be respected. Okay, either the low or the open. Any of this level should be respected. Market should go lower. By the way, from here to here, 23 handle. Is that enough for you? If you take more than one contract, did you take a partial around that area? Did you take it? I don't know. You should have taken some partial. As market reach until the open, so I'm gonna remove it. Not good. Maybe I'll be to the break even. But either way, my stop loss is to the break even, so I don't care if even if it hit my stop loss. But as you know, I mean, for if you are watching my uh, entries from the morning today, you saw my entries are for 700, 1200, something like that. So I got fun, okay, for taking so many small trades. Here I would love to go for the huge one or extreme one. If it works, I'm happy. If it doesn't work, nothing to say. That should not be respected. Now, if it is respected, this order block is respected. This is the order block. If it is respected, market will go higher. I don't want to see that it will be respected. So market should keep going lower. As the way I am unable to put my stop loss, I am unable to cover the order block. The reason is my entry is just below the order block. But if you took that entry to that fair value gap, your entry would be around this order block. So you will be able to put your stop loss just above the order block. Why I am bearish? You have to watch my weekly analysis, then you will understand why I am bearish. From where market is reversing from hourly last fair value gap. Market is reversing from hourly last fair value gap. Okay? Now I have to mark the 50% of that bullish order block. So I would love to see that market will close below the 50% of that bullish order block. So this line, okay, remember the 50-minute high is the 50% of the the mean threshold of that bullish order block. This line, okay, this line is the 50% of that bullish order block. So I would love to see market will close below this line. If it can close below this line, then this order block is broken. That means market has low probability to go higher. Instead of that, it has high probability to go lower. This is all one after another. Okay, I am in a position where I'm safe. Right now, I'm safe. Maybe you are afraid. You are thinking that market will reach to that area. Yeah, it can reach to that order block. I'm not arguing with you, as my entry is little lower of that fair value gap. That's why I am unable to cover that order block. But if your entry was just at the level of that low, you will be able to put your stop loss just above the order block. You can cover it. Otherwise, if in this type of situation, don't be afraid to be stopped out to the break even. Just let it be stopped out, because bullish 15 minutes, see this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, it is holding the price. Yeah, you know that your bias is bearish. Market is reversing from hourly last fair value gap on my left. Okay, hourly last fair value gap, everything is perfect. But see, there is no sell side liquidity. So your sell side liquidity is missing. When you don't have the sell side liquidity, how can you be so confident that market is going to fall? Like over here, that was the buy side liquidity 18201. Remember 18201? Clean buy side liquidity. I am able to hold my trade until that buy side liquidity because I had the clean buy side liquidity. I don't have the sell side liquidity. Why I put my target over there? Can you see where did I put my target profit? That last parallel gap. See, this is the last parallel gap on my left from 15-minute chart. This is the last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. So I put my target just to that last parallel gap. But the entry parallel gap has the power to stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. That is why never ever take the risk. Just put a stop loss to the break even, then start to read the price. Is the bullish order block holding the price? If it is holding the price, don't be so upset. Why I didn't post my trade over there? Yeah, you should have taken some partial around that area. You have to take the partial. I mean, if you have more than one contract, then okay, I got a stop out to the break even. Because I didn't cover that order block. But still, let's see if I was right or wrong. I mean, as I told you, market can reach until that order block one more time. So is it really trading that order block one more time, or is it really going higher? That will be perfect right now. I mean, that will be clear right now. You will get a very nice long run, okay? Some kind of boom right now. If really market would love to go lower, you will get a very nice long run like this toward the social liquidity. Give it some likes, guys. Yeah, okay. Select currently, but you didn't select new to opening gap. New to opening gap? I don't know, brother. I don't know, brother. Is there a new day opening yet? I don't remember, brother. Okay, like guys, I know I talk too much, but this is what it is. I mean, this is the bullish order block. This is broken now. I don't need that one. Sorry. This is the bullish order block that should be broken now. I mean, market should expand lower now. Why? Because it has traded that order block one more time, but brother, it didn't touch it. I don't need to see it has touched that up close body close candle. See this consecutive order block. Look at this consecutive order block. This is all the consecutive order block. Every single level is the order block level. So it reached until that highest up close body close candle. Now, if really market would love to go lower, this is the time, perfect time for expanding lower. If market would love to go higher, I will be very happy because I got a stop to the break even. If it keep going lower, I'm I mean unhappy. No, I'm not going to unhappy. The reason is I knew that I'm unable to cover that order block, so I got a stop to the break even. Still, I'm happy because I got break even. Wasn't it a very nice entry for here until there? 24 handle. Wasn't that a nice run? Wasn't that? It is the boom. Hey, Seek for Wisdom, how are you, brother? Hey, Peter, how are you, brother? Welcome back. Look at PO3 on 4-hour chart. Alastite, I guess you are new to my channel, brother. I don't go for 4-hour chart. Thank you, by the way. Yeah, it's showing me that market is falling as well from 30 second chart. It's also showing that market is falling. Every single thing is telling me that market is going to fall. Let's see it falls or not. By the way, anyone took that entry? I mean, anyone took that entry and is still holding it? Maybe you took some partial. Let me know. Good morning. How it is going? Yes, absolutely perfect, brother. How are you, Saim? Oh, Saim. How are you, Chachu? Brother, on 15-minute chart, there is a bull setup. Could uh, could you please look 15-minute chart bull setup? Yeah, I talked about this, brother. Market has taken the liquidity market structure shift. This is the first parallel gap. So market came here to that first parallel gap, then it is going higher. But now the problem is over here. The problem is I'm bearish. Okay, in a longer term, I'm bearish. So I'm not looking for any bull run. I'm expecting bear run. Market reach until the order block open. if if market want to go lower, it will give me the expansion within 2 to 3 candles. Within 3 candles you will see the expansion if market want to go lower. If it doesn't want, then it will keep consolidating. Conclusion is equal in all cases. You are happy. Absolutely. Hope you will be always happy. I'll be always happy. Not being disrespectful, can you check what normally happens around this time? One seasonal tendency, we are going for the all-time highs. Makaya, brother, it's really so difficult to explain the same thing every day, but it is what it is because you guys are new. You just joined to my life. I have to do it, right? Let me tell you. I don't know about the seasonal tendency. See this line. This is minus 1.5 standard deviation. When market came here, I told that I'm not convinced yet that market has made the all-time high already. I'm not convinced yet. Market has to reach at least until to that line. So 18888.75. That is the line. Market should have traded that line. Now, if market has more power, then it can reach until that area. Okay, until that line. But I don't care about that one. It has to reach until this line at least. Now, market when fall, it doesn't mean that market is falling. Okay, market has already made the all-time high. No, 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 not like that. Market didn't made the all-time high yet. It is going lower for retracement. It though it came here to that daily parallel gap, I am not convinced yet. This is the weekly order block as well. I wanted to see that market will reach until that mean threshold. See this mean threshold from weekly chart. Okay, weekly order block mean threshold and daily last parallel gap. So I wanted to see market will reach any of this level at first, then it will go for the buy side liquidity. In my weekly analysis video, I told that if market would love to go higher, it's gonna be a high resistance liquidity run for me. I mean, it will be very difficult for me to frame a buy setup because I have lot of level that can stop the price, send it back. For example, here I had the daily fair value gap. Then this is the entry fair value gap from hourly chart, last fair value gap from hourly chart, entry fair value gap hourly chart. Then here is another fair value gap. Here there is another fair value. Lot of resistance over there. Okay, so they can stop the price and send it back for that clean sell side liquidity or this liquidity and until here they can send the price lower. I don't know which one is going to do that. That's why I told that if market keep going lower, it will be easier for me to frame a sell setup. If it keep going higher, I will be either I will be out of the market or maybe I'll just keep try to keep some small entry, something like that. Just just I will do that, okay? Because I am bearish, market is going higher. I don't know where how far it will go and then it will reverse. Nobody knows that. I also don't know. For me, sell setup is much more easier to frame. Buy setup is highly difficult for me to frame. So nothing worked perfectly over here. I got stopped out to the break even. That's cool. Can I take a buy now? I'm not interested to take buy, brother. As I told, I'm not interested to take buy at all. Is there a buy setup? Obviously, there is a buy setup. Let's look over here. See, this market has taken, where is that? There. Market taken some liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, market went higher, trade the order block, went higher. There is some kind of unfilled area, market filled that area. What you will look for? Breaker block. Where is the breaker block? Oh, sorry, I'm here. There is a breaker block around this area. This is the perfect breaker block. Now, seems like this. Cover the breaker block mohawk until that area. So your entry will be maybe here and under. Am I going to take that entry? No, I'm not going to take that entry. Why? Because I don't know this hourly last fair gap will hold the price and send it back for the sell side liquidity or not. Now, do I have any sell side liquidity? I don't have any sell side liquidity. But still, as the bias is bearish, I would love to see market will fall. But to be honest, I don't have any sell side liquidity. Okay, I don't have any buy side liquidity as well. I don't have any sell side liquidity as well. Now, can I take this entry? If you wanna take that entry, depends on you. Do you really able to take that 10 handle stop loss? Are you able to take that one? If you can take that one, please go for that. If you ask me, I'm not interested at all. But why did you take the buy sell all the morning? I'm here to show you some way so that you can avoid gambling. So my intention is to show you avoiding the gambling. If you keep taking sell buy sell buy sell buy, you will take lot of losses, and in the end of the day you will take lot of losses. That was a buy, that was a sell, then that was a buy, this is also a buy, this is a sell. All of this trade is from today. Sell, that one was a sell, buy, sorry, here buy, that one was a buy, first entry, that one also a buy. I took buy sell buy sell buy sell whole morning. I did it, and I I I don't know, guys. I don't know how to show the. Can I see the order? Yes, see buy sell buy sell. So one is cancelled. This one is cancelled, I guess. This sell was cancelled. Otherwise, everyone was filled. Okay, so sell buy. If I can change the account, this. Look over here. Buy sell buy, uh, just look over here, cancel some are filled, sell by, all of this. Okay, I did all of this in the morning. Now I don't know, can I show you the losing one and the winning one? uh I don't know how to show it. Trades, oh, I guess, yeah, here. Look over here, this is all the trade from this account. Okay, look over here, this is the all trade I took from this account. The first two entry was, I mean the first entry. Okay, this is the one entry I took a loss, 190. I mean, I just, can I show you that? I mean, two contract, three contract. So I took three contract entry. This is just one trade. Okay, not two trade, just one trade. I put my stop loss in a different way. That was my loss. And then $20, 120, 20, 20, 190, 100, 220, 80, 125, 100. Just look over here. Let me show you the other one. Here I just took two entry. I guess two or one entry. I guess it was one entry. One or two entry, I don't remember. Okay, I guess one entry. Yeah, that was one entry. I just closed the partial and it hit my target profit. So one entry, just one long, done. In the morning session, yeah, I do this buy sell lot of things I have done in the morning, around the morning. Okay, buy sell, something like that. But I am not interested to show you that. See, it didn't work. 10 handle loss. I don't want to show you that. The reason is you don't know when you should close your trade. Whatever you see that there is $20 loss, I mean profit, $20 profit, around that area I put my stop loss to the break even. Sometimes I put my stop loss after a long time, sometimes I put the stop loss after a certain period of time. Now, if you really know how to place the stop loss, I have no problem. Here, I will say you stay with one direction. My direction is bearish. I'm expecting that market will fall. So I will go for that. Here, if you take that entry, just this entry, 23 handle, not bad. Just mark this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. See this relatively equal lows. This is a shallow run. Here, this is the shallow run, right? Take the entry over there, close your trade over there. How many handle it's going to be? Just for example, here from here to here, 16 handle. You don't have any other sales liquidity. You have this sales liquidity only. Just be happy with this. Not 16 handle, it's near about 1800 to 2000. It should be enough. You don't need to take buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You don't need to do this man. Okay? Because then I just said that the market will make a downside imbalance. I don't know, brother, what you are talking about, but I am bearish. Okay, I'm not interested to take buy. I'm just interested to take sell. So yeah, I will look for sell setup. If I get a sell setup, I'll go for that. If I don't get it, I'll just let it go. I'm not interested at all. Any kind of buy setup, I'm not interested. As I told you from here, from the 30-second chart, it is also telling me that market should fall. Why I'm saying this from this 13-second chart? Just look over here. Let me explain. Okay, I'm not. I mean, just think this is a chart. This is a chart because of this holy shit price action. I will just explain the price action over here. What do you see? Market has taken the buy side liquidity, trade the last parallel gap, retrade. Where did it go? The 50% of that candle. Let me mark it here. Oh my goodness. I don't think so. I can show you the 50%. Is that 50%? I don't know how to mark it. I have to change everything. Whatever. It has just look in your open eye. Okay, it has traded the 50% of that week. What is that? 50% of the last fair gap. Market fall. Is that a displacement? Absolutely. Lower market structure? Absolutely. What is that? Breakaway gap? What is that? Entry fair gap. Take your entry over there. Where do you see this target? See this target? This low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. This should be your target. Now it went to this low, right? What is that? Perfectly obvious liquidity. Now look for this obvious liquidity. Market is going to take that obvious liquidity again. Why? Because market has done its upper job already. Then market went higher one more time. How far it reached? To the last parabolic gap low. Now I wanted to see that it will reach until the order block, but yeah, it went little higher and trade the hourly parabolic gap low, then fall again. If I were here, I would take re-entry around that area. Maybe here. Hindsight? No, brother, it's not hindsight. Here until see this low. I mean, I don't know how to put it. Yeah, see this low until that low. Why this low? Why not that low? Because this is the last parallel gap. See, from 30-second chart, this is the last parallel gap. I don't have any sell side liquidity, so I have to mark the last parallel gap. How many handle? 11 handle. 11.25, 11.25. 1:1, brother. I'm not interested to go for that. Then leave it. You don't need to take that entry. Just leave it. But this is how I trade. Okay, I mean, from 30 seconds that, I'm sorry, but still it's showing me that market is keep falling. Market will keep falling. Okay, it doesn't need to go higher, it will keep going lower. So if you come here, really I don't have anything, but still, as my bias is bearish, I would love to see it will keep falling. Yeah, it will keep falling. You will see that it will keep falling. I don't know what to say, but it will keep falling. Okay. Peter message retracted. What happened, brother? What did you say? I'm a Chitu, I'm bearish. I was bullish, but now I'm bearish. He's so smart. Okay, Miguel. I just said that the market will make a downside imbalance. Okay. Bro, can you type the name of the site? Just saw someone asking for a free seasonal tendency chart. Here is a site I use. Mostami Makaya, brother, if you just put any kind of link, I don't think so that it will show to the comment box. You have to write it down, or you can just send me the link to my Twitter. I will repost it, okay? Or you can just comment below any of my post. I will repost it. So other people who is interested about the seasonal tendency chart, they will get it. Okay. That will be a really great help, brother. I started to study the seasonal tendency, but because of my time, I failed. Okay, I failed to finish it. Look here. This is the order block. This is the highest up close body close candle, which has traded this parallel gap. Now I took the entry to that order block. Now it's not a perfect order block because body didn't close below this candle. I agree with you. But just for example, I took that entry over there. I will put my stop loss around that area, just above that swing high. Why? I can put it over here, right? Oh brother, market will trade this high swing high one more time, then it will fall. I don't care. But I'm not going to put my stop loss over there. Why? Because this is the logical level. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure to the upper side. This is a valid swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. I don't want to be take a huge loss until that area. I don't want to take a huge loss. Instead of that, I will put my stop loss over there, and if I get stopped out, I'll take a small stop. I mean, how many handle it's gonna be? Let me show you. From here, yeah, 10 handle. I know it's a huge, but I'm sorry for that. But still, I will take this 10 handle stop loss. Why? The reason is, if I'm wrong, I will take a small loss. Are you losing proof? I'm not losing proof. I will take loss. But yeah, I love precision. I put my stop loss in a precise way. This is the precision. I don't want to see this high should be taken. If it is taken, I will get a higher market structure shift. So I don't want to get that higher market structure shift. Instead of that, I would love to see market will keep falling. It will keep falling until this new week opening gap high. If market really would love to go lower, it should reach until that new week opening gap high at least, right? So yeah, I put my stop loss over there. If I get stopped out, you will judge me. That's really a difficult situation for me because I just can't show you the precision. The way you see that a loss and I see it market precision. That's all I see. Okay, here I will put it over there. I'm not afraid, and I will put it over there. Oh man, market can take that high and then it will go lower. No, I don't want to take that risk. I will put it over there. If I get stopped out, I will start to look for another setup. Maybe, okay, not for sure, but maybe I will look for another setup. But I don't want to take huge loss. I can be wrong. Why? Just look on my left. On my left, this is the 15-minute bullish entry favorable gap. It is holding the price, right? How beautifully it is holding the price. Just look. Who can tell you that this is not holding the price and sending it back for the all-time high? Who can tell you that? Nobody can tell you. Is it broken? No, it's not broken. For example, if it was broken, if this candle was closed below this 15-minute parabolic gap, then I'll be able to put my stop loss over there. Why? Because I'm going to believe in that type of situation. I'm going to believe that market has broken this parabolic gap. Now it can take that high as the liquidity taken, then it is going to fall. I don't know that market has done its job or not. So all I will do, I'll put my stop loss just above this candle. I'll be stopped out, no problem. I'll take that 10 handle stop loss. I'll be able to manage some, mitigate my loss easily. Okay, 10 handle, 12 handle is nothing. I will mitigate it easily. This is how I trade, and this is trading. If you wanna avoid the loss, what you will do, you will put a, for example, you take that entry. Okay, just for any kind of reason, you took that entry. Now you are going to put a stop loss over there. Why? Because you are afraid if you get stopped out over there, what is going to happen? So what you are doing actually, you are making your risk much more higher, right? Why? You are actually trying to avoid the loss. When you will try to avoid the loss, this is the psychological part, it's gonna hurt you more. So don't get hurt by the market. Instead of that, put your stop loss in a logical place. What is that swing high? That swing high has stayed this parabolic gap, right? Market has taken some liquidity, then displacement above that high. What is that called? Bullish market structure shift. Parabolic gap, take buy, go for the buy side liquidity. What you are actually doing? You are holding your trade, stop loss for a bigger loss. I don't want to take a bigger loss. I will put my stop loss. Yeah, I don't want to put it just above the high. Just above the high, I don't want to put it. Okay, maybe one tick above that high because market can make the relative equal highs. I agree with it. It can do that. So what I will do, I will put my stop loss just above the swing high, and I will wait. I took that order block, brother. I made a mistake. If you think that you made a mistake, whenever it will be very near to that entry point, close your trade. Just kill your trade. Don't hold it. See, 10 profit loss, $5 loss, something like that. Close it. Why? Because you thought that it's a wrong trade. You didn't want to take that entry. Maybe after taking that entry, you find out that no, it's not a perfect entry for me. Close it over there. What's wrong with that? There is nothing wrong with that. Now, can I can I move my stop loss right now? No, I can't. Why? See this relative equal loss. I have to see first how market react with this low. If I see body close below this low, I'm gonna hold my trade. If I see this type of run, I'll close my trade. I don't care where this body is going to close. I don't care. But I'm going to close my trade. Why? Because market has taken the liquidity. See how beautifully it has taken the liquidity? This candle will close. I'm gonna close my trade. Just close my trade. Why? Market has taken the liquidity. Isn't it obvious? Isn't it obvious to you? Don't hold your trade for unrealistic expectation. Don't hold it for that. Clean way. It has taken the liquidity. Close your trade. Just close your trade. It's showing me that market is going higher. After taking the liquidity, it's going higher. Now, as brother, until now you talked about this is your market structure shift, parallel gap. Can I take a buy? What did I say? I'm looking for sell. I don't care about the buy setup. How beautiful the setup is. Just let me explain. Market has taken this sell side liquidity. Is that clean? Absolutely. From 15-minute bullish parallel gap? Absolutely. Is that market structure shift valid? Perfect. The very, very, very perfect market structure shift. Can I take a buy over there? Maybe it will make a parallel gap. Then immediate reaction. Can I take a buy over there? So just let me show it to you. Maybe you are not waiting, so you just took that entry around that area. Over here, that is your entry. Maybe you target that related equal highs, or yeah, just for example. Can I take it? Absolutely, you can take it. Am I going to take it? No, I'm not going to take it. Why? The reason is I'm expecting market will fall. Now, when I saw this, I know it's a very nice setup, perfect setup. There can't be more perfect than this, but it is going against my expectation. I'm not interested to take that entry. Maybe you didn't take that entry, you are waiting to make a fair value gap. Let's see if it can make a fair value gap, then immediate reaction or not. If brother told us to wait for the immediate reaction, if everything is okay, okay, let me just show you. Now, maybe you thought this is your entry point here, okay, for just for explanation, okay, just for explanation, just think that it has stayed that fair value. Maybe it has stayed that fair value, or you are thinking this is going to be your breakaway gap. So you, what did you do? You actually took your entry after getting the market structure shift. That was looking so beautiful. Are you going to take that entry? I don't give a shit. Now, but brother, you just showed us that you have taken lot of buy sell, buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. As I told you, don't follow me. Okay, whatever I'm doing, don't follow me. Try to follow my word. Just try to follow my word. By the way, like over here from 30-second chart, just look. Market has taken the sell side liquidity, market structure shift, first fair value gap, breakaway gap, immediate reaction, boom. From 30-second chart. Oh man, I don't know what is going to happen to me, but yeah, this 30-second chart is going to kill me. It's going to just kill me. Oh, by the way, it missed my target for 805, 850. Oh, just for two handle. It missed my target for two handle. That last fair gap would be my target. Whatever, what I was talking about. So don't follow what I do. Just follow what I tell you. Okay? Because man, you will be able to take buy sell. You will able to do that. Okay? Everyone can do that. But first you have to understand how to react with the market. You have to understand. You will see that whole day market is going higher. Okay, market is going higher. Maybe you didn't get any opportunity to take sell. Maybe. Are you going to be upset? No. This day or today, you didn't see any kind of situation where you could take sell. That means today is not for you to trade. Tomorrow it's going to be your day. Just tomorrow is going to be your day, man. So don't force the market. Don't keep buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Don't do that. Be strict with one. What to say? I mean, what is that word? Just stay still with one direction. Okay. It just missed me. Yeah, I would take that. Actually, my stop loss would be here now. When it left at that area, it started to fall. I would put my stop loss over there, four handle stop loss. So this stopped out over there. Actually, it's a perfect setup for me. Let's see if it can reach until that last level up or not. I really would love to see it. Yeah, it's going to take that for sure. The reason is, you can see over here. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? This eye, and that eye. What do you see? Keep the stop loss over here. As there is a clean buy side liquidity, that should be taken. That should be taken for sure. I'm sorry, I'm going back 1 minute, just a second. Actually, when I have started this 30-second chart, I am going to be mad. Okay, I am seeing lot of setup. I don't know what happened to me, but yeah, I'm seeing lot of setup. Lot of setup. Want to see market will go through this fair gap and use it as inversion fair gap. See this fair gap. Market should go to this fair gap and it should use this fair gap as inversion fair gap. I just locked my account, right? Yeah, I locked my account. Ah, really? It should touch that blue line. Should touch it. Oh, man. I'm going to be crazy very soon, okay? If I keep continuing this 30-second chart, I'll be crazy. I can see the move happening in the PM session. Can happen, brother. Market is consolidating. 15-minute chart has paint up, down, down flows, well balanced. Yeah, 15-minute chart is just telling that market doesn't want to go anywhere. It is just reversing from hourly last fair value gap, 15-minute bullish fair value gap. In this type of These two fair value gap is holding the price. Okay? But where trust me, brother, I'm not lying to you, man. When I have started to watch this 30-second chart, I don't know what happened to me. I keep watching the entries. I don't know how many entries I have seen. I just can't explain that, brother. I am just keep watching the entry. A very clean entry, and buy, sell, buy. Oh man, oh man. But that is what it is. I'm not going to stay over here. By the way, so here, one, two, three. So it has taken three candle to reach over here. What I was talking about. See, after making the fair value gap, how many candle it took to reach to that fair value gap? One, two, three. Third candle has traded this fair value gap. So you took that entry over here. Maybe you put your stop loss around that area. That is maybe your target. Okay, that low is your target, or maybe this last fair value gap is your target. Just put your stop loss. It hit your target. Okay, just for example, it hits your target. Are you going to take that on? Absolutely not, brother. If you do that, if you take that buy, if your expectation is your market is going to fall, so you are trying to frame a sell setup, suddenly you have seen this. Suddenly you have seen that market has taken this sell side liquidity, very nice market structure shift, fair value gap, price trade, this fair value gap within three candle, then it is start to go higher. If you take that at your beginning, okay, I'm talking to them who are actually new, who are here to learn. Okay, I'm not talking to them who are really expert of trading. I don't know if there is anyone or not. I'm also learning, so I please don't take it personal. Just this is for the beginners. Okay. So if you keep taking buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, the result is where you are right now, you will be there after 10 years. Where you are right now. Now, ask yourself, are you a profitable trader or you are not? If you are a consistent profitable trader, keep doing this. If you are not a consistent profitable trader, stop doing that. What you are doing wrong? You are taking every possible setup. So what you will do, you will just let this setup go. See this perfect setup? Yeah, you can't let it go. Take the paper trade or put this tool, no problem. When it will work, be happy. Oh man, how beautifully I marked that trade. How perfectly it worked. Be happy. It didn't work. Be happy because you didn't put your real money onto the risk. Maybe you put your target over there, market reversed from there, went lower. Are you going to be happy or are you going to be sad? You should be happy because you didn't put your real money onto the table. You tried it by the paper money. So either way, you have to be happy. If it works, it will be happy. You should be happy. Trust me, man. It is going to, stored in your brain slowly but definitely. One day you will be able to take buy, sell, buy, sell. You will be able to do that over here. Where did I put my stop loss? I mean, sorry, target profit. That fair value gap. Why? The reason is I'm bearish. If market really would love to go lower, it can go low from that bearish fair value gap. It can go low. Even if I take that entry from there, my target will be that last parallel gap. That's why I told that my it missed my target for one or two handle. Okay, then I have seen that this is relatively equal highs, perfectly clean equal highs. I put my stop loss just below that, then later I put my stop loss again over there. Why? Market can easily come lower, take that sell side liquidity, then it can go higher and take that buy side liquidity because that was clean, very clean. That's why I covered my stop loss again the last fair value gap. Are you able to do that? If you think you know when you should put your stop loss below there and when you should not move your stop loss, go for that buy sell, buy sell. If you really know where should be your target. I'm bearish, market is keep going higher. What I'm going to do? I'll just let everything go. I don't care about anything. I will just let everything go. Whole day market keep going higher. I am not going to trade. I'm not going to trade. This is called trading, brother. This is called trading. Now it's really too hard to let some setup go without doing anything. But if you can do it, welcome to the millionaire club. If you can't stop yourself, I mean, if you can't stop yourself for not pushing the button, you will be there where you are right now after 10 years, man. No, nothing is going to work. Nothing is going to work for you. Sounds like fun. 30 second. Oh man, Peter. I mean, 30 second. I don't know what to say. I mean, the guy actually told me not to stay here in 30-second chart because most of you are not able to trade through this 30-second chart. So yeah, I'm not gonna trade here, but it's like I can frame buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I can do that whole day, whole day. Even when the I missed some move. Okay, for example, I missed this move. I'll be able to frame my trade from there from 30-second chart now. Here, just for example, I missed this move. Maybe I was trying to take an entry around that area. I failed it. I'm gonna take my entry over there again. To this fair value gap, I'm going to take my entry from 30-second chart. This will be my target. So from here to here, 9 handle. I'm gonna take that 9 handle. It's fun, man. Last fair value gap 1 minute chart. Yeah, I saw it, man. The title of stream is wrong day, bro. Today is 07 day. What did I write it down? By the way, I get 2 subscriber. Thank you, the 2 guy for subscribing. There. It's 7th May. Let me check it. 32 years. I was busy, okay, because of the load shedding. I was busy, so I did that mistake. I'm sorry for that, brother. Thank you for correcting. Thank you, brother, for that. And I'm going to really read this one. There's nothing. By the way, thanks for that 2 guy who actually subscribed to my channel. The market is going higher, right? So fast, it is going higher. Am I going to be very upset? Oh man, I missed everything. No, I'm not going to be upset. I'll just let it go. I will see how beautifully it went over there and how can it go over there. Did it take us any trade before going higher? Wasn't that trade was fun? Wasn't that trade was fun? This trade from here to here. 24 handle. You don't need that 24 handle. Maybe you will be able to take 20 handle. Be happy with that. Why you will be happy with 20 handle? What is today? Today is Tuesday. Do we have any news? No, we don't have any news. Should we expect volatility? Absolutely not. So are you going to be are you thinking that you are going to take 100 handle today? If you are expecting that, I'm sorry for you, brother. I'm extremely sorry for you. Peter, are you traveling again? He always travels. That long worked, but I stopped myself out before the move. No problem, Ale. It keep happening, brother. Losing is part of the game. Absolutely, Caesar K. We'll have those days. See and look all go. Absolutely, brother. Losing is the part of this game, man. Thank you, I Alim. Set I Alim. Thanks for correcting me, brother. Okay, and now it's a break time. I need to take some break. But before going further, let me know that did you give me the likes? No, there is no Ryan. There is no likes. Peter, Peter, can you kick them out? I'm gonna make you the moderator. Okay. Whoever didn't give me the mm, just a second. Who doesn't give me the likes? Kick them out. Okay. Now you are the moderator. I'm just kidding. And who didn't subscribe me? I'm gonna please keep kick them out as well. Don't kick. I was just kidding, brother. I was wondering why ICT is trading through 30-second chart, 15-second chart, and now I find out why. What is the reason? Because I can see 1,000 entry opportunity from 30-second chart. Now just imagine how many entry ICT can see. How many entry ICT can see? Just imagine, man. I every single 15-minute candle I can see a entry opportunity. Just me, okay? Who not even near to any ICT student as well. Okay, lot of ICT students are 1,000 times better than me. Thousand ICT students. Okay, they are 1,000 times better than me. I'm not even near to them. Still, I'm finding lot of entries from this chart, and just imagine how many entries can ICT find out. That is why he was there. Oh, and Peter is moderator. Better mind your peace and cues everyone. That was the comment of the year, team. Oh man. Yeah, I need some likes. Okay guys, I'm just coming back. I need a break for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Just coming back.